confirm. 559-1924, all units be advised the interstate could be split between 80 and 81 for oil. 559-1924. Are you able to put spikes down?
Control, I'm trying to get in position. Where is he at?
Five, you're broken. Spikes at the 89 crossover.
That's affirmative.
455-1925. Unit C advised spikes to be set up at the 89 crossover.
Welcome to 84.
Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground now!
Copy, visitor. Control 3, is he in custody or is he Spoke Valley?
Well, please come on scene. We have meds now. I'm not in custody yet.
559-242, running on the west side.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.